I started as Lekha Bhavesh Khona.
There might be some people who have supported you also.
I would say कि जब मैंने सोचा कि मुझे एक कंफर्ट जोन 9 to 5 वाली जॉब नहीं करके कुछ अपना करना है,
And when people look at us, they feel that we have everything.
that I am a proud entrepreneur who wears many hats.
One story you would like to know about your counseling journey, like
Because Hubli is a business hub.
welcome to inspiring episode of Future with Honet, where we shine the spotlights on visionaries, change makers who are building the future of India. Today we'll welcome Lekha Bhavesh Khona to our episode, a powerhouse entrepreneur from Hubli, Karnataka, who is juggling the roles of multiple businesses and yet making it to the mark. Welcome, Lekha.
Hi, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being part of my show. I always have this thought when I listen to or look at serial entrepreneurs, right? And also people who are doing multiple businesses at times. So my question to you is like, how do you introduce yourself to people when they ask you, what do you do?
Honestly speaking, it's never been a part that I have to introduce any of them with a specific title. People already are, I would say, bitching or criticizing me since long time, stating that I am doing so many things. Why don't you focus on one thing? That has been the journey that I've been in Hubli since 10 years now. But I would say, if I have to really introduce myself, I would say I am a multi-talented entrepreneur and an educator from my heart, passionate cook or a chef, and a person or a woman who proudly says that I can wear a lot of hats, which women are known for, and unfortunately, there are many other women also who are the ones who keep on criticizing me for being multi-talented. So I don't care, but yeah, if I have to really introduce myself in one particular way, it is that I am a proud entrepreneur who wears many hats.
I would like to know that from where it started. Like, what was your first business that you came into? And I had some slight research about you that you had a long gap in your career. So, what made you to restart? So, first thing I would like to know that where it started from, which business, and also let me know about the break phase which made you to come back and start the ventures.
So I am basically born and brought up from Mumbai. I got married in Hubli 2016 back then. And I was a happy-go person in Bombay, sufficing with any other corporate women or a men, enjoying their 9 to 5 job, rushing through the metros or the trains and struggling hard, etc. I had a handsome amount of salary. When I came back here in 2016, I never thought that I would be an entrepreneur. Because Hubli is a business hub and not many jobs are available here. It made me think, okay, let me do something of mine, because I never wanted to be, I'm not a passionate person, or I'm not a person who has any dreams or goals back then. I mean, I never had that. मेरा बहुत clear था कि मुझे शादी करके housewife बनना है. And I wanted a joint family. This was my thought. That is the reason I came down from a metro city to a Hubli. But then eventually, जैसा चाहिए वैसा तो होता नहीं है. So that's when this idea of getting into a business started, because that is the thing that gives you a leverage of working as much as you want or not working when you don't want to. So because घर होता है, संभालना होता है as a woman, so I thought, okay. So in 2016, I first started with some of the handmade articles and crafting and all of those things, which eventually gave me an idea or understanding also that this is not going to give me a fixed income, which I was used to for so many years being an educationist. I've always been into education and study abroad as a counselor. And यहाँ पर उसका उतना scope नहीं था तभी. So I started doing research, because setting up study abroad business is not easy. It took me almost 7 years of my life to in Hubli to explore, research, and come to a conclusion that this is going to be my main business, because I had that experience and all the knowledge about it. The side businesses that I do is all out of passion and talent or experience that I have. So it first started with ALS Academy that I put up in 2021, which is into public speaking, personality development, and study abroad then. But last few months ago, I had a tie-up with one of the companies that actually gave me an opportunity to start my career into study abroad. That is TC Global, the Chopras. So 2013, I started working with them as a counselor. And then I got married in 2016, so I shifted here. I never knew that this company would come back to me, or I would come back, or we will cross paths. So a few months ago, I happened to meet my directors, and we had a talk, and they were also exploring tier 2 cities. So that's when we came into a partnership, and here I'm leading the branch or the North Karnataka side as a leader today. So, because study abroad has always been my nerves. So, yeah, the rest of the businesses just happened,
So, what are your current milestones that you have achieved as per you when you started way back, right? You might had some visions or milestones that you would like to achieve. So, in what stage you are at? Like, have you achieved all your initial milestones and you have come up with the new milestones for yourself, or else tell me that journey, like how you started and what was your achievements.
I started as Lekha Bhavesh Khona when I came to 2016. And, people would, till today also, people say, Acha, Bhavesh ki wife ho. My husband is very well known in the society, in the people, but they don't recognize or they don't relate that I am his wife. So I think milestone jaisa to kuch tha nahi khas, but yet to achieve a lot of things that I want to. Setting up from a small business or putting up a small academy and doing a lot of other things that I wanted to is a different story. My first milestone was in 2021 when I stepped out of my comfort zone again in Hubli, coming out of a job and deciding कि नहीं job से तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, हम आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे. So we need to do something. For other women or other people over here in Hubli, especially in my circle, it was very easy because they have always been in this system or in Hubli since their childhood. For me, मुझे सब कुछ जीरो से स्टार्ट करना था उस पड़ाव पे जहाँ पर मैं शायद हमारा मतलब सेकेंड इनिंग्स हो सकता है. I'm already in early 40s, and 2021 was not that far away. It's just 4 years ago. 4 years ago, if I have to restart my journey into my ambition or career, it's very difficult. So milestone is that. I would say कि जब मैंने सोचा कि मुझे एक comfort zone 9 to 5 वाली job नहीं करके कुछ अपना करना है, that's when I stood up. And there are yet so many other milestones that I have to achieve. After ALS Academy being into, flourishing, knowing, now people today know me very nicely that I am a public speaking coach. I am a mentor, I can help them or I can counsel them. So that's a milestone itself. So wo Lekha Bhavesh Khona wouldn't have been possible if I wouldn't have been in Hubli.
The moment you thought of starting off your own, right? So I just want to understand how the people around you reacted to that and what was your takeaway. Basically, what I'm trying to understand is in any community, for that matter in India, so there is some abrupt challenges we might face, which are not saying कि 10 लोग मान लेंगे, दो लोग नहीं मानेंगे. In the point of if you want an approval from any person, if it is financial stage or any other challenges. So what my thought is to understand what was your experience in your community, like people came to you and told you what all things, and there might be some people who have supported you also. So mostly we tell that whenever I also started कि आप job छोड़ के आ रहे हो तो यहाँ हुबली आके क्या करोगे, but there are few people who are believing in me. So I would like to know about those people rather about क्योंकि हमारे पास लोग तो रहेंगे क्या, तो उनके बारे में जानना है जो आपको सपोर्ट करे. उस सपोर्ट से आपको क्या स्ट्रेंथ मिला, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन का स्पेसिफिक मेरे को थॉट ये है कि पीपल शुड गेट अपलिफ्टेड दैट there is some energies that will help us to achieve what we want. So I would like to know your story on that.
Like you said, there are many people who criticize, but there are very hand-picked and few people who really support you. And in that manner, I think, of course, my family, my in-laws, who never judged me of what I do or what I don't do, or my husband for that matter, or a very close circle. I am a very extrovert person. मैं दोस्ती तो बहुत जल्दी कर लेती हूँ, but हुबली में आने के बाद पता चला कि मेरा इंट्रोवर्ट साइड भी है. And now I'm very limited to my circle. That is very few people, and I can say only 5 of them that I have in my life, which I share, or which I sit with, or which I take my reviews with, or discuss with and talk to with. Apart from that, yes, my own parents are the ones, especially my mom and dad. Of course, my brother as well, who keep on, supporting me and doing things. ALS जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, it was never a thought in my mind. एक second भी मुझे नहीं लगा था. It was just a discussion with my friends sitting on a table, and I decided yes, I have to do it. And trust me, I didn't knew कि मैं कब करूँगी, कैसे करूँगी, क्या करूँगी, nothing. It all started after that. So it was with me, my partner, we both were working in the same company, and we decided that if we are getting students over here, we will definitely get students out of this. But it was a challenge because we were working with a good, known, recognized company which is already have a lot of known in the market, or it is known very well in the market. तो हमारे लिए नया ब्रांड खोलना और कुछ नया करना was something which was difficult. But like I said, few of my close people who supported me, who pushed me that you can do it. It was difficult, 101%. And when I opened, or when I had my opening, I remember that people were stunned. Okay, within so many years, has she really earned so much? और इतना अचानक से खोल दिया, कुछ है, नहीं है, क्या है, किसने सपोर्ट किया, कहाँ से पैसे आए, ऑल दैट, क्योंकि एक लड़की जब कुछ करती है तो सबको यही लगता है कि किसी ने सपोर्ट किया होगा, या किसी ने दिया होगा, या हस्बैंड के पैसे होंगे, या फैमिली के पैसे. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मेरे हस्बैंड को भी नहीं पता था कि मैंने कुछ करना है ऐसा. ही वॉज ऑल्सो शॉक्ड कि what, are you serious that you're doing something? Even my parents didn't knew this. तो like I said, जो मेरे पास जमा पूंजी थी, या जो थोड़ा बहुत मेरे पास था, एंड लोन तो सब लोग ही लेते हैं, मैंने भी लिया थोड़ा बहुत. बट हाँ, किया, उसी तरह से किया.
So one thing, even I as a founder, I always tend to find some ways to learn new things and upgrade my skills, right? And when people look at us, they feel that we have everything. They feel that we are best at it. We have a lot of money that we can, whatever strategizing we are doing, we can execute that next day itself. So I would like to know from you, what are your learning paths, like what all things you go to apart from your business life, where you go and learn things, and what is your pattern that you are keeping yourself updated in your business?
Updating is one, of course, with the industry that you are into, and the people around you keep you updated with the things. But apart from that, I am also a part of a lot of organizations in Hubli, like Young Indians. I'm a co-chair for Yuva. I am also been a part of Toastmasters and the leadership team over there, being a vice president over there. So all these areas is something that, you meet a lot of business people who tend to teach you a lot of things. And learning is a never-ending process, is what I feel. So जैसे आपने बोला कि लोगों को लगता है कि इनके पास तो सब कुछ है, ये तो इतना अच्छा बिजनेस चला रहे हैं, तो शायद इनको तो सब कुछ पता है. बट वो पता नहीं होता है. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई थिंक सारे ही बिजनेसमैन को ये प्रॉब्लम होता है, चाहे वो MBA कर लें या ना करें, या किसी कितने भी साल के एक्सपीरियंस से लेके आए, सबका एक्सपीरियंस अलग होता है. एंड एक्सपीरियंसेस आर द मोस्ट राइट वे टू लर्न थिंग्स. इफ यू डोंट मेक मिस्टेक्स, you will never learn. Today, I don't regret in making any mistakes in my life that I've done, because it has always taught me something or the other. So I feel make mistakes, learn from it, but do not repeat them is what you should, follow. And updating is, you can read a lot of books, you can read news that is there, you can read some courses that is available on the online platform after, digitalization that has happened. It's very easy and accessible. But real life learning comes only when you take risk. If you don't, then I think आप अपने आप को स्टॉप कर रहे हो वहाँ पे आगे बढ़ने से. सो गिरने से मतलब उठते ऐसे ही उठ तो नहीं जाते ना, हमको गिरना पड़ता है, चलना पड़ता है, तब जाके हम सीखते हैं और तब जाके हम उठते हैं. तो आई थिंक एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड फेलियर्स आर द वन स्टेप दैट कीप यू अपडेटेड, एंड keeps you motivated to learn something. It's very simple. अगर मैं सब कुछ सही कर रही हूँ, वो भी एक गलत चीज़ है. अगर मैं कहीं गलत कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे उस चीज़ के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा सोचूंगी कि मैंने ऐसा क्या गलती की कि मुझे उस चीज़ को रेक्टिफाई करना चाहिए. तब जाके मैं पढ़ूंगी और तब जाके मैं उस चीज़ को इम्प्रोवाइज करूंगी. सो आई थिंक मिस्टेक्स आर द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. वी शुड लर्न, ओवरकम and not repeat those is what we have to feel.
So, any awards or recognitions you have received, if you can put a light on those parts. And after that recognition, how did that help you in your business? Or to be very blunt on this platform, these awards and recognitions will not give any value to your business. So maybe either the case for you. I want to know what was your situation. Those things helped you in your business, or it is just a piece of this thing?
Some awards are just the piece, just kept into my showcases. But some awards are, with the hard work that I've done. So I am crowned twice as Mrs. Hubli and Mrs. Caucasus by FTV and one of the competitions in 2021. Those are just piece of it. It was just out of the passion, खुद को मोटिवेट करके चलने के लिए या टाइम पास करने के लिए बोल सकते हैं. बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ कॉम्पिटिटिव पर्सन. बचपन से ही कॉम्पिटिशन में जाके जीतना ये मेरा एक तरीका रहा है. एंड आई थिंक माई स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो, मैं उनमें ये चीज़ डालती हूँ. बट येस, आई ऑल्सो मेक श्योर दैट इफ यू डू नॉट विन, डू नॉट dishearten. At least you participated. So, but yes, the awards that I've got through in my organizations like YI or in my Toastmasters that I've been into, those are not just the awards, not piece of paper. It's a recognition that I carry for my business, because Toastmasters is into a public speaking platform where you yourself learn and level up yourself. So that helps me ultimately getting into my business. And similarly, young Indians, because we deal directly with the schools and the colleges, when we are introduced over there as a position or as a person who has worked hard to change or impact the youth, those awards are something that helps me out stand shine really well. So extracurricular activities के awards से मुझे इतना वो बोलते हैं ना हाई नहीं मिलता जितना मेहनत करके कुछ पाने से मिलता है. एंड आई थिंक अभी तक मुझे इतना कोई ऐसा खास अवार्ड नहीं मिला है, तो आई स्टिल हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट.
So personally, how is Lekha? Like, what is her side after a business? Like, I see you're interacting with me and also your co-workers along with them. But apart from that, after the work, what does Lekha do? Like, what is the real side of Lekha? What she is expecting from life? This can be very deep also. I would like to know that. Just a curiosity to understand how founders operate apart from their busy work life. So, which will give me an essence that even I can shape myself or any other person who is watching this video to have his mental life balance or work life balance in either of the ways. And a new perspective he should get through your this thing.
Honestly speaking, as a person or as a business, when you take first step, जब आप सोचते हो कि आपको बिजनेस चालू करना है, तब आपकी मेंटल लाइफ की तो धज्जियां उड़नी ही है. आप सोच ही नहीं सकते कि आप पीस में हो. हमको ऐसे लगता है कि यू आर एट अ पीस, बट every night that you sleep, you have 100 thoughts that you go with, and every morning that you get up, you have thousands of things that are there. Lekha in person has changed a lot since she got married. I wouldn't want to say, I wouldn't want to deny this fact. I was always been naughty, mischievous, or very happy-go-lucky person. But वो एक पॉइंट होता है जब आप एक पॉइंट के लिए ही हो जाता है. एक बार आपके सिर पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आ जाती हैं, थिंग्स चेंज, एंड दोज थिंग्स चेंज फॉर बेटर मे बी और व्हाटएवर. बट आई एम अ वेरी वेरी ओपन पर्सन, एंड माई फ्रेंड्स कीप ऑन टेलिंग मी दैट बहुत ज़्यादा सच बोलती है, या बहुत ज़्यादा दिल खोल के सब कुछ सबको बताती है. यू हैव टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट योर सेल्फ. सो आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन कि मैं मैनिपुलेट करके किसी को कुछ बोलूँ. अगर मुझे मैनिपुलेट करके किसी को कुछ बोलना है, मैं वहाँ पर ही स्ट्रेस में चली जाऊँगी. आई थिंक आई विल गेट इनटू डिप्रेशन. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है कि किसी को मैनिपुलेट करना है. जो हूँ, मन में हूँ, सच्ची हूँ, दिल पे हूँ, इसीलिए शायद मेरा सर्कल बहुत कम है. People don't like me because I'm blunt. People don't like me because, I at times give them that advice. But I can proudly say that I'm a very best or a good counselor. I've shaped so many careers in my life, and I only know, or those people know whom they've gone through with. I am ready to help anyone, any point of time, kabhi bhi. And I don't boost this. This is the first time शायद मैं openly किसी के सामने बोल रही हूँ कि I am a helpful person. People know. मुझे पता है कि आज मेरे सर्कल में मेरे लिए कोई खड़ा नहीं रहेगा, for sure. But मुझे ये भी पता है कि जो मेरे लिए नहीं खड़ा रहेगा उसके लिए मैं कभी भी खड़ी रहूंगी. मुझे लोग बोलते भी है कि आप हमेशा सबके लिए करते हो, लेकिन आपके लिए कोई कुछ नहीं करता है. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जिस चीज की कमी हमें होती है ना, द थिंग्स दैट यू आर लीस्ट गॉन विथ इज वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू गिव मोर. सो एज अ पर्सन, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू, if I have to sum up with something, I want to have a life where I give better life to anyone that crosses my path. मेरा विजन लाइफ में दो है. एक विजन ये है कि मैं एक ऐसा जगह लूँ जहाँ पर, आई थिंक दैट इज अ फैमिली विजन, जहाँ पे मेरे मॉम, डैड, मेरा भाई और मैं चाहते हैं कि एक बहुत बड़ा जगह लें और उसमें हम सारे ही बेजान बेजुबान जानवरों को वहाँ पर रखें और उनकी सेवा करें. उसके अलावा इतने पैसे कमाने हैं उन्हें कि मैं बस सबको दे सकूं. कोई हाथ मांगे तो मेरे पास ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, या कोई मदद में है, मतलब मदद की कोशिश कर रहा है या पूछ रहा है. सी, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इंसान आस्क्स ओनली व्हेन इट इज रियली नीडेड. अगर मेरे पास सब कुछ है तो मैं क्यों पूछूं? अगर मेरे पास सब कुछ नहीं होता या कुछ ना कुछ कमी है, तभी तो हम पूछते हैं ना किसी से. तो ऐसा दिन चाहिए, भगवान करे कि ऐसा दिन आए where I can't say no to anyone in any case, whether it is money, whether it is food, whether it is clothing, or whether it is shelter, anything. I don't have any specifications for it, but ये दिल से मेरी इच्छा है कि मैं ऐसी बनूं कि मैं सबके लिए काम आ सकूं. That's it. That's Lekha.
One story you'd like to know. One story you'd like to know about your counseling journey. Like you told, right, you have shaped careers of many people. Any personal story which you would like to tell in detail ki how that guy or girl came to you and what were their challenges and you have addressed them.
2016 when I joined the Chopras in Bombay, Churchgate. By the way, I've also counseled a lot of celebrities. Darshil Safari from Tare Zameen Par is my student in Chopras in Churchgate. He was back then. वहाँ पर हमारे यहाँ पे VVIP students बहुत आते थे. And I met my first student in Chopras only. Very calm, subtle, simple girl. The parents were into government, jobs, railways especially, but they were going under through a lot of cliff. बहुत सारा झगड़ा and मनमुटाव, and I think they also got divorced, so they were separated. So this girl eventually, when she came, started talking to me. She felt so comfortable that she started sharing this journey to me. एंड मुझे बहुत टेंशन होती थी उसके लिए, क्योंकि एक तो फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट थी मेरी, एंड सेकेंड ऐसा था कि बेचारी इतनी सीधी है, वहाँ जाके कैसे सब कुछ करेगी, जहाँ दोनों पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट होना, दोनों इंडिविजुअली उसके साथ थे, लेकिन जो कलेक्टिव एफर्ट्स एज अ पेरेंट्स चाहिए होते हैं वो नहीं था उसके पास. एक वो मॉरल सपोर्ट या मेंटल सपोर्ट जो चाहिए था. एंड बैक देन तो फोन्स, व्हाट्सएप, वीडियो कॉल्स, ये सब कुछ इतना प्रोमिनेंट नहीं था. स्काइप वगैरह होता था, ईमेल्स होते थे. 2015-16 is what I'm talking about. Though we were technologically advanced, but not in Bombay, yes, video calls and WhatsApp was not still so much into the phase. Email से हमें पता करना पड़ता था कि बच्चे पहुंच गए या नहीं safely and all that. 2016 and 2021, I think she not returned back, but she got my number somewhere, or she had my number, but it's been the same since so many years. She one day messaged me, hi ma'am, how are you? And I'm like, hi dear, how are you, and all that. And she's like, thank you for your support and for your help or for your counseling or whatever that you did. Today, I am working with one of the companies as an architect in Dubai. And I had tears in my eyes, honestly, because, जब मैं इन बच्चों को देखती भी हूँ, जब वो लोग जाते हैं और अपना लाइफ शेप करके वापस आते हैं, मुझे बोलते हैं कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, वो टाइम पे ऐसे लगता है कि चलो मैंने कहीं पे किसी की मदद कर दी. अगर उस टाइम पे उसको वो गाइडेंस नहीं मिला होता तो शायद she would have gone in a wrong path, because already mentally she was going through a lot. So that is one success story that I always feel and I always remember. I'm still in touch with her. She's doing really well in her life, and I just wish that it keeps on growing for everyone that are there. ऐसे तो बहुत सारे stories है, but yeah, this is one of the best and one of the very nearest to my heart, being the first student of my life.
So what we tend to do is always like we hold ourselves. We do not tell about our challenges to anybody. So what it takes for a person, like when people come to you, what made them to open up? Like what was their situation, or क्योंकि क्या होता है, everybody needs a consultation in any given one case. So many people don't open up and ask people about, see, I'm going through these kind of challenges. Would you be able to somehow contribute? So who are those people, or what is that trait people have that they come up and they make their life better? Because the moment I heard this story, right, I feel that if everybody starts telling their challenges to any specific people or any professional consultants also, life might change. So what it takes for a person to open up?
मुझे आज तक अब I mean it is more than a decade. I think 15 साल हो गए मुझे इस करियर में. Of course थोड़ा सा ब्रेक था बीच में, but I still know that my school friends, परसों ही मेरी एक स्कूल फ्रेंड का मैसेज आया था after I had an award recognition in my organization. She's like, how do you manage to do all these things? And you always shine and all that. I don't know कि मुझ में ऐसी क्या चीज़ है कि जिस वजह से मतलब कोई भी हो जिनको मैं मोटिवेट करती हूँ, कैसे मोटिवेट करती हूँ सबसे पहले तो यही मुझे नहीं पता, बट अगर मैं कर रही हूँ तो आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग समथिंग राइट इन माई लाइफ. एंड व्हेन दे कम बैक टू मी with asking something or sharing something, giving an opinion or asking for an opinion, I am absolutely open to them. I think दिल से दिल का कनेक्शन जो होता है ना, चाहे वो एक स्टूडेंट टीचर में हो, एक फ्रेंड में हो, एक एम्प्लॉई एंड बॉस में हो, वो कभी भी कैसे भी हो सकता है. नॉट नेसेसरी. मैं गुस्सा भी बहुत करती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं नहीं करती हूँ. एंड आई थिंक माई पीपल नो इट वेरी वेल कि मुझे सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे चीज़ें बहुत सही से और परफेक्ट चाहिए. वो नहीं होती है तो मैं गुस्सा करती हूँ. तो आप जब अपना दिल खोल के किसी को रियल में हेल्प करना चाहते हो, आई थिंक द पर्सन कैन गेज इट. एंड दैट थॉट ही होता है जो आपको फील कराता है कि दिस पर्सन इज सेफ टू शेयर, एंड आई थिंक आई कैन टॉक एंड आई कैन डू इट. I still remember, it's not only young children or people. I have had n number of people in my life who are even elder than my age, who just feel कि we should talk to her and she'll give us some solution. Sometimes बात करते मतलब हमें पता होता है, but हम जब बात करते हैं तब पता चलता है कि okay, this was it. And I'm really glad if I'm able to hone these skills more. मैंने बहुत बार साइकोलॉजी बन जाती हूँ अगर ये मेरी लाइफ में लिखा हुआ है तो, बट मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं वापस में मैनिपुलेट करने की कोशिश करूंगी वहां पर, तो इसलिए मैंने वो डिग्री विग्री नहीं ली. आई एम गुड व्हाट आई एम. आई डोंट वांट टू say that I'm the best, but maybe there is something in me which helps people, make them feel safe or strong or motivated, and I would like to keep that up to myself and be glad that I'm able to help or change somebody's life, at least a little, not 100%, but a little.
What I understood here is, my question was, what were the traits of a person who needs help? But what I understood is we should become so comfortable with people that people will come up to us and tell their challenges at the same time. Yeah, this is a new thing. Yeah. So I would like to know about your future plans. Like what are your future plans in your current business?
Current business में तो पता नहीं कहाँ लेके जाएगा future, but of course as every other entrepreneur, everyone wants to be successful. A $1 billion company or a $1 million company, whatever it is. But I just want to shape people's life. If I'm doing that right, then I think the success will come together. And this is what our company, really teaches us. Many other platforms that I got through, कि जहाँ पर मुझे partnerships offer की गई थी, and बड़ी companies. It's not that some normal companies, but all the well-known people in the industry of study abroad had approached, had talks where we had a meetings for partnerships and all. But I stick to TC Global, the Chopras, is because of the ethics, because of the thought process that they have. When we were trained back then in Delhi, मुझे आज भी याद है कि हमें हमारे जो डायरेक्टर्स हैं मिस्टर नवीन चोपड़ा एंड मिसेस नताशा चोपड़ा कि हम किसी के करियर के साथ खिलवाड़ नहीं कर सकते, चाहे आपको हम प्रेशर कितना भी डालें नंबर्स के लिए, बट थिंक बिफोर यू डू एनीथिंग रॉन्ग. एंड आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज मैं पैसे कमा लूंगी गलत करके, लेकिन वो कल कभी ना कभी तो मेरे सामने आना ही है. सो माई फ्यूचर प्लान इज नथिंग बिग. लाइक आई ऑलरेडी मेंशन 2 विजन्स हैं. वो विजन को क्लियर करने के लिए पैसे तो आते रहेंगे भगवान की दया से. अभी तक तो इतने डूबे नहीं है कि जहाँ अटक जाए, बट हाँ अभी इतने जमा भी नहीं हुए कि जहाँ हम कुछ कर सकें. तो मेहनत तो करनी है पूरी जिंदगी भर. बट आई रियली वॉन्ट टू मेक माई name and my company's name reach that place where people feel safe going through us, because we are known for that since 1995, and I want to keep that legacy on. If I tell my kids also tomorrow when they are born, one thing that I want them to learn or carry forward is multi-talent that I have, and along with that be true, be आप पास करो, आपके पास जो अच्छाई है उसको अपने पास रख के कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. So that's it.
Please tell me about your break phase. What you went through, how was the life, and what was that thing which was constantly with you, like throughout your the break time? Was it a break that you had a permanent break when you started thought of कि अभी से मैं break लूंगी और मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगी? Was that way, or you had a thought कि after some time I'll come back again?
Honestly, शादी जब फिक्स हुई तभी सोच लिया था कि बस हो गया, अब तो काम वाम नहीं करना है. एंड डोंट वांट टू बी, आई वांट टू बी अ हाउसवाइफ and take care of the kids and the parents and all of those. That's when I wanted that break, to be very honest, because I've been working since my 10th standard in my maternal house, and Bombay's life is too fast. And when I chose to get married in Hubli is when I thought that I'll be at home, I'll be a good housewife, etc., etc., all that. But when I came back here and I saw that things are not as per what you want, you need to step in or you need to do something of your own, is when my journey of break actually started. I think I took almost 3-4 years of break, and it was not really a break, but it was exploring some other areas or businesses, because study abroad was not that open market at back that time. I remember I had seen one ad in the newspaper in 2017 end, which said that we are looking for study abroad counselors in Hubli. And I'm like, oh wow, lovely. Kuch to aaya mere kaam ka. So I went there, I met them, and they offered me a partnership instead. And I'm like, okay, it's a good job interview. But I think they were searching for a lot of period of time and they wouldn't find that the market is good enough to start and all. So they said, why don't you come up as a partner with us? Like I've already mentioned that I've got a lot of opportunities for the partnerships, but I never felt like doing any of them with anyone. So I explored that opportunity also, but I didn't find anything concrete or, which would say, okay, it is a win-win situation for both. Where it is purely business, I also feel little, everyone is selfish. So अगर आप सिर्फ प्योर बिजनेस देख रहे हो तो शायद मैं उस कैटेगरी की नहीं हूँ. मैं सिर्फ बिजनेस के लिए नहीं देखूंगी. I will also look out for my own other requirements that I have. So that break was when I thought, okay, let me only explore when I have that talent, when people are exploring, people are asking, people are wanting to give me a partnership, that is where something I have. And instead of me going and working for somebody, why don't I start something of mine? So 2017-18 onwards is what I started doing the research into the market as to how much students are going, what are the areas that they might want to go, went to different places and colleges, and then came up in 2021 with an name as the ALS Academy, which is now no more operating under the study abroad, but it is only TC Global, the Chopras, that we are operating for study abroad. So yeah, I mean, that was not a break, but a time to research and explore or learn a little more and find and then come up with the bang.
At the initial of the discussion, you spoke about you are a good cook and you have something related to food also. So just put a light on that, what it is all about.
कोविड में सबकी हालत खराब थी. मैं बॉम्बे में अटकी हुई थी. मेरे घर का ओपनिंग था. I remember with few of my friends, I had come from red zone to orange zone. Hubli was an orange zone in COVID one, and we got stuck. We were quarantined in government facility, and I saw the pathetic situation. We were confident, but still, if you're staying with so many people over there, because it was the first time, I think everyone was still scared and लोग अभी भी सोच रहे थे कि क्या करना है. So then I faced a lot of problems with the food, shelter and all of that. And in the second COVID, again the lockdown happened and my friend's parents were stuck here. So she told me, do you know anyone who can help me with the tiffin services for my parents? And I'm like, nearby, right? I will do it. Don't worry. I'll drop the tiffin out if it is about the security or the safety because they are elders. And trust me, Hunain, I don't know what made that magic happen, but that one reference gave me close to 500 plus deliveries in COVID too. And morning breakfast, I think 30-40 breakfast हम बनाते थे, 40 to 50 lunches जाते थे, evening 40 to 50 dinners जाते थे, and snacks वड़ा पाव and दाबेली queen हूँ मैं, क्योंकि बॉम्बे से हूँ and I love that taste. तो people आज भी कॉल करके पूछते हैं कब वड़ा पाव बना रहे हो, कब दाबेली बना रहे हो. So I would supply food to KMC, 500 packets of pulao every day, apart from my regular lunch and tiffins that were going. So morning utte hi kitchen, sham band hote hi kitchen. That's where Chula Chauka came into a picture, and the cloud kitchen services that I started. Now I operate only when I want to, because it's my passion. And if I keep on doing that continuously, then वो essence निकल जाएगा ऐसा मुझे लगता है. इसके लिए weekends में मेरे specialities I keep on my page or my status, and that's where people order and they take the taste of it.
So the other venture which is into fashion, right? So I'm just trying to understand, like, where do you find time or how do you manage all these multiple roles? As we discussed in the earlier, right? I opened up with that multiple businesses you follow, like you operate. So fashion का business के related क्यों आपका एकदम से क्योंकि when we say this education and consultant and all those things, these are very similar to each other. Like the person who is going to study abroad might require public speaking skills also. So that way it is somewhere related. But fashion, how and what made you to start that?
I really don't know why did I start something into jewelry, which is a recent venture, not too far that I've started. I think it is just couple of months that I'm into it, and the brand is Reeth, Parampara ka style code. What I feel is the younger generation or any generation, especially women, they are always into jewelry, and the quality that requires. And because I'm from Bombay, a lot of times when I want to get into a function, I can't find anything in the market eventually, immediately. So then I thought, why not be a solution to it? Instead of going and hunting for it, why not keep it? And how I find time with the multiple businesses is, Chopra's is my 9 to 5 work. I have my students and counselors, and fortunately I also have a good support staff who, helps me follow up. Public speaking classes I only take in the vacations. So that's again where I have to, work on. Reeth or Chula Chauka again operates only on weekends, and that too when I want to, not compulsorily that I have to have anything over it. And the fashion or the Reeth is something सबके ऑनलाइन बिजनेस होते हैं, सब लोग चाइना की चीजें आजकल ऑनलाइन बेचते ही हैं, बट मैं चाइना की नहीं बेचती हूँ, मैं थोड़ा ज्वेलरी में बेचती हूँ। तो टाइम इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट। मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे बोलते हैं कि 24 आवर्स भी तेरे लिए तो कम है, तेरे लिए शायद 48 आवर्स होने चाहिए एक दिन में ताकि तू थोड़ा टाइम हमारे लिए भी निकाल सके। तो आई थिंक या फूड इज समथिंग दैट इज पैशन। आई लव ईटिंग, एब्सोल्युटली लव ईटिंग, बट हुबली में बॉम्बे का स्वाद नहीं है, तो मैं वो कोशिश करती हूँ बैलेंस करने का। एंड या आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम विद हुबली। हुबली हैज इट्स ओन चार्म, इट्स ओन वेज। फूड गिरमिट सबको पसंद है, भजी भी पसंद है, तो वो तो मिल ही रहा है ना यहाँ पे, तो जो नहीं मिल रहा है उस चीज को लाते हैं ऐसे। That's how.
So one last question I have is, anybody, specifically women, would like to start a business now, or they are in the career or the housewife or homemaker or something. They are thinking of doing it, but they are not able to do it. So what would be your advice, or how they have to start a small roadmap that if you can give as per your experience, from where they can start, what are the existing business ideas they can consider, and how they can manage and earn for themselves? What that would be your advice?
My support staff already knows this. मुझे जहाँ पर भी ऐसे लगता है कि एक औरत को आगे बढ़ना चाहिए या किसी लड़की को आगे बढ़ना चाहिए एंड वो कहीं अटक रही है या कुछ चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, आई एम ऑलवेज देयर फॉर देम. आई डोंट माइंड हेल्पिंग एनीवन, गिविंग देम एन सपोर्ट और आइडियाज दैट दे कैन. एंड अगर वो कोई भी हो, मैं मेरे हाउस हेल्प्स को भी बोलती हूँ हमेशा कि थोड़ा स्मार्ट वर्क करो इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग हार्ड वर्क. आप बर्तन घिसना या झाड़ू पोछा लगाना कोई गलत बात नहीं होती है, बट उसको और किस तरह से मैनेज कर सकते हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बिकॉज एक औरत में ही उतनी खामियां, आई मीन खूबियां हैं कि हम मल्टीपल चीज़ें कर सकते हैं. तो फैमिली चलाने के साथ साथ अगर आप बिजनेस कर रहे हो या कोई चीज़ कर रहे हो, सबसे पहले तो आपको एक विल होना चाहिए कि मुझे कुछ करना है. अगर something, I give you any number of ideas that you can do. If I am established a business and I have multiple other businesses that I can take care of or I can do it, then I'm definitely sure कि एक औरत अगर सोचे तो वो कर सकती है. There are so many things. See, you can cook at home. Tiffin services in Hubli are not at all there yet. I still get calls from people who ask me, can I get some tiffins? Can I do something? I remember when I was in Deshpande Foundation doing this, my Chula Chauka was then a little more vibrant because of the COVID, still very near. I would take 6 to 7 tiffins at office. खुद के टिफिन के साथ 6-7 टिफिन, जबकि वहां पर भी कैंटीन वगैरह है, लेकिन देयर वाज couple of people who were like, no, आप खाना अच्छा बनाते हो, आप लेके आओ. तो अगर वो 6 टिफिन देने से अगर आपके 50 रुपए भी एक दिन में निकलते हैं, 5 into 6, 300 rupees a day is not a bad deal, bro. I mean, you can do it. So think something which can also manage your life very well, and you can still take. Of course, see, there is one advantage I would say, that I don't have kids yet. That is the reason probably I'm getting that enough of time. But managing this would have been very different if I had kids. बच्चे नहीं है इसके लिए तब तक मैं शांति से कमा रही हूँ पैसे, बट जब बच्चे हो जाएंगे तो शायद मैं भी इतनी सारी चीजें नहीं कर पाऊंगी. बट या दैट्स हाउ इट इज. आई मीन, विमेन शुड हैव विल. हम सोचते हैं, कर तो सब कुछ सकते हैं, बट सोचने की देरी है. सो आइडियाज लाइक आई सेड, समथिंग लाइक दिस इनटू इट. और राखीज, आई रिमेंबर मैंने स्टार्ट किया था मेरा करियर इन हुबली विथ मेकिंग हुबलीज फर्स्ट पर्सनलाइज्ड नेम राखीज एंड फोटो राखीज. बैक देन किसी को पता भी नहीं था. आज हर गली नुक्कड़ में सब लोग बेच रहे हैं. अब मैंने बंद कर दिया है. सो आई थिंक आई स्टार्ट द ट्रेंड एंड पीपल फॉलो इट एंड देन आई स्टॉप इट. सो क्लाउड किचन इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग सो मच. इन कोविड वो चीज थी ही नहीं. I was the only one who was helping people supplying, and I had the government where we were allowed to supply the food. So it's about finding that problem and giving a solution at that right point of time. That's what entrepreneurs do. I mean, entrepreneurs are not businessmen जो existing business को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. मैं टीसी चोपड़ा चला रही हूँ, वो बिजनेस है, वो मेरा बिजनेस है. मैं बाकी की जो चीजें कर रही हूँ वो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है. बिकॉज आई फाइंड दैट प्रॉब्लम. मुझे ज्वेलरी खरीदने, आई एम अ वेरी पर्सन जिसको डेकअप होके जाना बहुत पसंद है. मैं कहीं भी जाऊं, जब तक मैं घर में हूं तब तक मैं नॉर्मल कपड़ों में घूमूंगी. अगर आप मुझे घर में देखोगे तो आप शायद नहीं पहचानोगे, क्योंकि मैं वही नाइट ड्रेस में घूमती रहती हूँ, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउस. एंड द मोमेंट आई स्टेप आउट आई वॉन्ट टू बी परफेक्ट, टिप टॉप, वो कुछ भी हो जाए. तो मुझे वो चीज़ की कमी लगी, तो मैंने सोचा चलो खुद ही एक दुकान खोल देते हैं घर में, ताकि मैं रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ पहन सकूँ और फ्लॉन्ट कर सकूँ. सिमिलरली फूड, खाना नहीं मिल रहा था मुझे, यहाँ पे वड़ा पाव नहीं मिल रहा था यार. बॉम्बे की लड़की होके चाट, वड़ा पाव, दाबेली नहीं मिल रहा है तो कैसे चलेगा. बना लिया, बेच दिया, अब बन गई वड़ा पाव और दाबेली वाली. तो आई थिंक प्रॉब्लम ढूंढो और उसका सोल्यूशन अपने आप मिल जाएगा. दैट्स द बिजनेस दैट दे कैन स्टार्ट. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. वीकेंड्स में, एक सिर्फ वीकेंड से मैं शायद 500-1000 रुपये आराम से कमा लेती हूँ, सिर्फ वड़ा पाव और दाबेली बेचने से. मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते तो एक दुकान ही क्यों नहीं चालू कर देती. तो मैंने कहा दुकान चालू करूंगी तो उतनी अहमियत नहीं रहेगी ना, उतना डिमांड नहीं रहेगा. तो वीकेंड्स पे जब मैं, मेरी मर्जी है तब मैं करती हूँ, तो लोग पूछेंगे अच्छा दाबेली. एक दिन में मुझे लगता है माई दीदी इज हियर, शी सपोर्ट्स. एक सैटरडे नहीं, एक संडे अगर मैं मंडे को आई पुट एन एड, आई एम नेवर स्टॉप supplying lesser than 30-50 dabelis at a time, and people love it, and they still keep on asking for it. So वो डिमांड नहीं रहेगा अगर मैं कंटिन्यू उसको सप्लाई करूँगी तो. Maybe this is a smart work. I still want to open a small cafe or a small thing where I only have 5 things: vada pav, dabeli, missil, and pav bhaji. And that will only operate on Sundays and Wednesdays 4 to 9. I'm still giving this open thing. अगर कोई सुन रहा है तो please investment के लिए आ जाओ. But this is what I want to do honestly. Sundays and Wednesdays only, because छुट्टियाँ होती हैं and बाकी के week सब लोग wait करते रहेंगे कि कब मिलेगा दाबेली, कब मिलेगा दाबेली.
Thank you so much for being part of my show.
Thank you, Hunain, for choosing me here. I don't know whether I deserve it or not, but I just want to motivate people and be there for them. And whoever wants to see this or whoever is going to watch it, the only thing that I have is as a message is, please feel free to talk even if you don't know. अगर आप मुझे नहीं भी जानते हो तो भी एक फ़ोन उठाइए, बात कीजिए. आई थिंक अगर मैं कहीं पे भी उस चीज़ में हेल्प कर सकूँ तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होगी.